In the intricate dance of nature, trees stand as stalwart pillars, providing not only oxygen and shade, but also serving as vital sanctuaries for pollinators. The delicate balance between flora and fauna relies heavily on the symbiotic relationship between trees and pollinators, a relationship crucial for the health and diversity of ecosystems. We delve into the world of pollinator-friendly trees, uncovering their unique characteristics and the invaluable role they play in sustaining our planet. 1. The crucial role of pollinators. Pollinators, including bees, butterflies, birds, and bats, are unsung heroes of the natural world. They facilitate the reproduction of flowering plants by transferring pollen between flowers, ensuring the production of fruits and seeds. 2. Trees as pollinator havens. Certain trees have evolved to become not just providers of timber and shade, but also essential pollinator havens. These trees offer shelter, nectar, and sometimes even nesting sites, creating a welcoming environment for pollinators to thrive. 3. Dogwood, cornice, a floral feast for pollinators. Dogwood trees, with their elegant blooms and compact stature, are a magnet for pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and other insects flock to the clusters of small flowers, sipping nectar and transferring pollen from one blossom to another. Dogwoods, in turn, benefit from enhanced pollination, leading to abundant fruit production. 4. Magnolia, grandeur, and nectar riches. The grandeur of magnolia trees is matched by their significance for pollinators. Large, fragrant blossoms attract beetles and bees, offering them a rich source of nectar. Magnolias stand as majestic sentinels in gardens, contributing to the cycle of pollination and fostering biodiversity. 5. Apple, Malus domestica, orchards of abundance. Orchards adorned with apple trees are not just a site of agricultural productivity. They are also thriving ecosystems for pollinators. Bees, in particular, play a vital role in apple pollination, ensuring the production of this beloved fruit. Planting a variety of apple tree species enhances pollinator diversity and orchard health. 6. Willow, salix, nectar oases, and nesting grounds. Willow trees, with their cascading branches and slender leaves, create a haven for pollinators seeking nectar. Additionally, the catkins of willows provide an early spring food source for emerging bees. Some species of willow also offer excellent nesting sites for native bees, contributing to their life cycle. 7. Linden, tilia, aromatic ambassadors for bees. Linden trees, also known as basswood or lime trees, are aromatic giants that attract bees with their abundant nectar. The fragrant blossoms not only provide sustenance for bees, but also contribute to the production of high-quality honey. Planting linden trees contributes to the health of bee populations and the overall ecosystem. 8. Cherry, prunus, avium, blossoms of bounty. Cherry blossoms are not just a visual spectacle. They are a source of abundant nectar for pollinators. Bees, in particular, are drawn to the sweet nectar of cherry blossoms, ensuring effective pollination and subsequent fruit production. Ornamental cherry trees also contribute to urban and suburban pollinator habitats. 9. Oak, Quercus, a haven for butterfly diversity. While oaks are not typically associated with showy flowers, their significance for pollinators, especially butterflies, cannot be overstated. Oaks host a variety of butterfly species, providing essential sustenance for these delicate insects. The relationship between oaks and butterflies exemplifies the diversity of pollinator interactions in ecosystems. 10. Planting for pollinator conservation. As we recognize the crucial role of pollinators and the trees that support them, the responsibility falls on us to actively contribute to their conservation. Planting pollinator-friendly trees in gardens, urban areas, and natural landscapes creates interconnected havens, allowing these essential species to flourish. In the intricate tapestry of life, pollinator-friendly trees weave a thread of symbiotic relationships, offering shelter and nectar to the diverse creatures that share our planet. As stewards of the environment, we can play a pivotal role in nurturing these vital ecosystems by planting and protecting these trees. By embracing the beauty and significance of pollinator-friendly trees, we ensure a sustainable and flourishing future for both nature and ourselves.